Okay, now we're ready to get started. Thank you for participating in ABCA's public roll call hearings via the WebEx platform provided by the DC Office of Open Government. My name is Laverne Fletcher. I'll be conducting the roll call hearings as the board's agent. There are two cases on the calendar today. The first case is Georgetown Wellness Dispensary, case number 25PRO 0003. Stickies 2 LLC, 2801 M Street Northwest, license number ABRA 128852. This is a medical cannabis retailer for a new application. The protest issues are adverse impact on peace, order, and quiet. Is anyone present on behalf of the applicant?
Yes, my name is Masoud Demercy.
Thank you, Mr. DeMercy. Would you spell your name for the record, please?
Yeah, first name is spelled M as in Mike, E as in Eric, S as in Sam, U as in Utah, T as in Tom.
Okay, and the last name?
Last name is D as in David, E as in Eric, M as in Mike, I as in India, R as in Robert, C as in California, I as in India.
Thank you very much. And is anyone present on behalf of ANC2E? Just 1 second. Turn my volume up. Mr. Demirci, you probably received a notice from ANC2E
Yes,
that they would not be able to appear today because the representative is delayed in California.
correct. Yes, I saw that email this morning.
Good, thank you. Second. Give me 1 second. I just want to note for the record that the message came from Gwendolyn Loesch, who would be representing ANC2E this morning. She sent an email saying that her plane was delayed on the West Coast and that she would be in the air at 10 o'clock a.m. this morning. And for that reason, ANC2E will not be dismissed as a protestant. Instead, they'll be granted conditional standing, and the board will grant ANC2E full standing at the status hearing.
Understood.
I'm going to give you some dates, Mr. Demirci, for a status hearing and a protest hearing, which won't be necessary if the matter is resolved. But the date for the status hearing is March the 12th, 2025 at 10:30 a.m. And the protest hearing is set for April the 2nd at 2025, April the 2nd, 2025 at 1:30 p.m. Rather than provide some dates for mediation now, I will send some dates uh, to you following roll call to both you and ANC2E to consider.
Understood, ma'am. And I would just like to note, during our ANC meeting on January 6th, I believe it was. We did come to an agreement with the ANC board to close down until we do get our fully licensed um,
So
paper.
so you're going to be withdrawing your application?
No, we just came to a settlement agreement, like we agreed
Oh, I see.
that
Well then,
that we won't be operating without having our license. We do have our place cards, um,
yes.
but we did agree with them during the meeting that we won't be
Well,
open until we are fully licensed.
okay. Well then, the ANC jointly, you may submit a settlement agreement to the uh, ABC board through ABCA Legal, and upon receipt of that, the status hearing and the protest hearing will be canceled. But you and ANC2E would need to put that in writing, put the agreement in writing, and submit it to ABCA Legal for review.
Yes, ma'am.
Anything else?
Not on my end, no.
Okay, well, thank you very much for coming, and we'll look forward to receiving the settlement agreement signed by both parties.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much for your time. You have a
You're
great
very
day.
welcome. Have a good one.
You as well. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye bye. The the roll call here in the matter of Georgetown Wellness Dispensary is concluded. The next hearing on the calendar is the consortium. This is case number 25PRO00004, Consortium for Sustainable Workforces, Inc., 201 Massachusetts Avenue Northeast, Unit 1, license number ABRA 1300329. This is the retailer Class CT tavern for a new application. The protest issues are adverse impact on peace, order, and quiet, real property values, residential parking, and vehicular and pedestrian safety. My name is Laverne Fletcher, conducting the roll call hearing as the board's agent. Is anyone present on behalf of the applicant?
Yes, Your Honor. My name is Evangeline Williams on behalf of the applicant Consortium for Sustainable Workforce.
Evangeline. Miss Williams, could you spell your name for the record, please?
Absolutely. It is E, V as in Victor, A, N as in Nancy, G, E, L, I, N as in Nancy, E.
Miss Williams, is the applicant present today as well?
I do not see them unless they're at the phone number.
If not, it's fine. If he or she were present, I'm just going to ask them to state their name and spell it for the record. Miss Williams, have you entered your appearance yet?
I have not. I am standing in for Attorney Johnson today.
Oh, okay. So maybe someone already has, but so I just haven't seen it, and it doesn't matter. I was just checking because if you hadn't, I was gonna just ask you to do it, but he can do it. Did you say Johnson?
Yes, Attorney Johnson.
Now let me see.
Lucretia Johnson.
Oh, okay. Yes, yes. Okay. Okay, thank you. And so beyond today, she'll be attending as far as you know?
Yes, that's my
Okay, so I
understanding.
already have her contact information. Okay, well, thank you very much. Is anyone present on behalf of ANC 6C?
Yes, ma'am, I am. Michael Upright.
Good morning, Mr. Upright.
Good morning.
Good morning. Could you spell your name for the record, please?
Sure. It's Michael, Michael, and Upright, Upright.
And I see that Commissioner Wirt is present as well.
That is correct.
Commissioner Wirt, would you state your full name and spell it for the record, please?
Sure, it's Karen Wirt. Karen is Karen, and Wirt, Wirt, as in Tom.
Thank you very much. ANC 6C has standing as a protestant. We need to set a date for mediation, a status hearing, and a protest hearing. I'll give you the dates for the status and protest hearing first. The status hearing is scheduled for March 12th, 2025 at 10:30. The protest hearing is set for April 2nd, 2025 at 1:30 p.m. And I will give you the next available day for mediation. The next available day for mediation is Thursday, February 27, anytime between 10:30 and 1:30. That's Thursday, February 27.
20, is that a 7 or a 2?
Oh, 7.
27.
February, February 27, anytime between 10:30 and 1:30.
We are still working on the settlement agreement. Is there any possibility we could push that date back a little bit so that we have time to finish that settlement agreement? Then we won't have to do that at all.
Yes. In that case, let's see. Status hearing is on March the 12th. So how
Yes.
about Thursday, March 6th?
I think that would be sufficient. Ms. Williams, do you have any idea if that would work?
Looking at our calendar,
Oh, you know what? Before you answer that, Ms. Williams, let me say something. Let's see, 1 second here. 6, 12.
Excuse me.
Rather than Thursday, March 6th, let me propose Tuesday, March 4. Anytime between 10:30 and 1:30.
the 4th is wide open for us. And apologies, I literally just walked into this yesterday. Are we pretty close to the
No problem.
Michael?
Yeah, I believe if Miss if Lucretia can make if we could get together, which she's I know she's been in court
Yes.
pretty much since we spoke. If she's available sometime before that, I think we can get this hammered out fairly easily and quickly.
Okay. I just don't want to put her on the calendar for March 4th and then because that's a week away, about give or take a week and a half. But I think, let me look what next week holds for her.
Yeah, I do know she's been tied up in court and we've not been able to talk much.
She's got deposition and then a trial on Wednesday of next week.
So if it would be helpful, we could also do March 3rd at 11:30 or 1:30. That's Monday. That's a
The
Monday.
4th is wide open for her.
Okay. All right.
So I'd rather just do the 4th for mediation.
Okay.
Just because it's wide open.
Yes.
So
Well, anytime between 10:30 and 1:30 is good.
okay. Whatever works best for you all.
We can do 10:30 if needed, if we get to that point.
Right.
Okay.
Well, then what I will do, I'll set mediation for March 4 at 10:30, send out the WebEx invites. I've already made it a note that it may not be necessary, and if not, I'll just cancel it.
Great.
Excellent.
That'd be fantastic.
Okay, well, nice to see everybody this morning. We're done.
Thank
Thank
you.
you very
Have a
much.
good one.
Okay,
Bye-bye.
enjoy the rest of your day. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Thank
The
you.
you're very welcome. The roll call hearing in the matter of the consortium is concluded. And I believe it's just me and the court reporter now, right? I'm only checking because I see just a picture of a telephone, making sure that's not a person that I need to speak
Oh
with.
yes, the telephone line is the court reporter backup. Thank you.
Okay, well, thank you very much. I'll see you next time. The roll call
Bye.
hearings for today are concluded. Miss Word, I see you still on the line. Did you need to talk to me?
No, I'm trying to figure out how to get out.
Okay, all right. I'll see you next time.
Thank you. Bye.
Okay, you're welcome. Bye-bye.
Karina, DM.